We have moved here in the last year to a maintenance-free bearing throughout the line now. Everywhere we had a bearing like this, or in the bearing standard itself, is all maintenance-free. So that daily greasing chore has been eliminated, so that more time in the field, less time behind a grease gun.
Right here on the front, we have the UHMW that's in this point right here. It's in the same plastics in your rock shafts, all your hinge points on the Sunflower. This is a big selling point, being a maintenance-free option on these things. Pretty much these new disc carriers, they have nothing to grease on them except wheel bearings, a few other small spots, but as far as gang bearings, hinge points, there's no other greasing has to be done on these things for daily maintenance.